Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Tyrone back with Tech Life. This article comes to you guys from Light Reading. I'll leave a link to it in the description so you guys can check it out. So the reason I wanted to go back to this article and cover this is because I got some information, and for me, coming from me, it's unofficial until it's official, but you guys will hear about it. So we recently got reports that Verizon is exploring a replacement for Sampath. Some people that I spoke with were like, yeah, I guess it kind of makes sense. He has a lot of legacy Hans Vesberg under his belt, and he's been with the company for a while, and he might not be a part of the vision and the direction where Verizon wants to go. And then some said, well, I'll believe it when I see it. Well, I'm here to tell you guys unofficially he's done. He's leaving. I know in the article it says that it's not guaranteed. His departure is not guaranteed. He might be offered position somewhere else. He's done. I'm telling you guys right now, this is an early look into this. He's done. He will be leaving Verizon before the first quarter's out. I don't know where he goes, but he's finished at Verizon. He's not taking another position. I mean, where else is he going to go? He's reached his peak at Verizon. He was the CEO of business, now the CEO of consumer. His natural progression would have been the CEO. He's clearly not going to get that. My view and opinion on it, from the outside looking in, I would have thought Sampath was the successor. He's got a lot of experience under his belt. He's been CEO of both consumer and business. He would naturally be the successor. Then I look at it from the view of, what is Dan Schulman looking for? Why is he looking for a replacement? What is he looking for in that replacement that Sampath did not have? And that leads me to believe that they're going to tap the European market, because I think what Dan is looking for and the board is looking for, and what Sampath didn't have, is likely the convergence experience. Because now with the Frontier deal and that continuing to expand, they're going to have to really get into this whole convergence thing. And it's possible that Dan Schulman felt like Sampath wasn't the right fit to take Verizon in that converged direction. And they're going to tap the European market for a replacement for him with someone that has plenty of knowledge and experience in the convergence sector. And Europe is all about convergence. That's why Srini was a really good pickup for T-Mobile, because he's dealt with convergence and he knows convergence. He understands convergence. AT&T clearly knows how to do convergence. They're at 42% today, and that's growing. Verizon has to get there. And that's what I think the only difference was in this decision, was Sampath didn't have the experience and the convergence. That's just my opinion, because everything else, if it's not convergence, what else is Dan Schulman really looking for that Sampath didn't have? Sampath had everything. Even the plans, if that wasn't something, the My Plan, if that wasn't something that Dan Schulman liked, they could have easily changed that while he was still in the CEO of consumer. You know, and I don't see Sampath budging much on that. Like, if those changes, if Dan wanted to make those changes, I think Sampath would have had some input, but he wouldn't have been like, no, I'm leaving Verizon. I'm not going to do that. You know, I don't think that would have been his response. But again, that's just me looking from the outside looking in. That's what I think. It's the convergence. Now that that's heating up, Frontier closed, they're going to need it, right? So we'll see. Of course, this is unofficial for me. I'm just letting you guys know this news is spreading like wildfire internally, and people are getting word of it and wind of it, and I'm sure there might be some articles as soon as today, maybe this afternoon. But Sampath is out at Verizon. It's been confirmed. Again, unofficially for me, but just wanted to let you know, give you guys my take, and then also, of course, give your take in the comments. You know, what direction is Dan Schulman really trying to take Verizon in? I think it's convergence, and they need a lot of experience. So let me know your thoughts. Like, share, subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.